Namaskar students. In this video I will explain you creating combo chart in MS Excel. In previous video we have seen how to insert chart, different types of charts like column chart, line chart, scatter chart, waterfall chart, etc. If you have missed that video, I will provide you the link in the I button. You can watch from there. So let me start this video. In this video I am going to create a combo chart. So first understand what is a combo chart. Combo chart means it is a combination of more than one chart, that is called combo chart. So here you can represent multiple types of charts. Suppose I have done this data and enter here for displaying values on the chart. Now in this chart ODI will become in column chart and this test I want to plot on line chart. So how that can be done? So for this you have to use combo chart. So combo chart will display different values and different charts on a single chart only. No need to use different charts for that. You can use single chart and you can plot both of them. So let me begin how to do that. So first of all, simple steps you have to follow as you have followed. Let me open magnifier first so you can watch the option. Magnifier. So I have opened my magnifier here so you can watch there. Okay, now you can see, click on this insert, then find out this recommended chart option. It is available in charts group. So recommended charts, click on this recommended charts. Now when you click on recommended charts, you will get this dialog box. This dialog box displays two tabs, recommended charts and all charts. So simply you have to click on all charts tab. Now here at last you will find this option combo. So click on this combo. Now when you click on this combo you will get something like this. So here I have not selected any data, that's why it is showing in this manner. So from there you can open. Now I will insert chart for my data. So first of all you have to select whatever entries you want in your chart. So first I have selected this data, player, ODI and test. Now recommended charts, same step, I will click on all chart. Now in all charts, combo. Now you can see here two types of charts are displayed. First ODI. So ODI is coming in column and test is coming in line. So here two options you will find. One is ODI, second is test, and this color is also available. Now see, I want to change for this stack column, it is there. Now I want to change them in scatter. So now see, it is coming with scatter and line, and here I want column chart. So like this you can display the values on your chart. I want pie chart for this. I can display that value in pie chart and runs in column chart for test. So I hope you understood how to display this value in different charts. One more thing is there, that is spark line. So let me insert spark line now after this combo chart. Let me insert this column. Okay, so now you can see the chart is available on this area. Now next point is spark line. Spark line is what is it? It is one kind of line that is coming next to your data. Means if you want to display line here, line or column, three types of objects are available for this one. First one is line, second is column, and third one is win or loss. So that type of data you can plot on these spark lines. So there is a special group called spark line. Let me open magnifier once again. So I will show you the option from insert menu. So just click on this insert menu and then you will get the spark line. See, there are three options: line, column and win loss. This is spark line groups. So spark lines group display these three information: line, column and win loss. So wherever you want to use this particular option, you can select that particular data and you can display them. So let me insert now how this spark line can be inserted. let me zoom out once again. Okay, so now here I want to use sparkline. So first select the data, whatever data you want in your sparkline. Otherwise, if you don't select also, that will come automatically, because it's allowing to save select your range here. See, this dialog box is there, that is allowing to select range. So choose the data that you want, whatever data you want, that you have to select. Suppose I want to use this data only, this two and these two, and location range I want to display here. Just I have selected random data, so it is giving an error. See, the reference for the location or data range is not selected. Why? Because I have selected header also. So this mistake you won't do, that's why I have done this error. Now let me try once again. I want to plot only this much data, and then insert sparklines. Now click on location range. Location range I want this only. Okay, now let me check. See, so that value is coming on the chart. If you want to display here, you can place your cursor here, and then you can insert sparkline there also. Let me do once again. Click insert line chart. Now this data I want to display, and location range E1 to this one, E4 to E8. See, so that line is coming over here. Let me zoom in. See, okay, now I want to add column here. So insert, then go to column, into sparkline group. Now select your data. I want to display this data only, so I have selected that one, and I want to display on this column. Okay, so here you can see this type of bars are coming. If you want to display multiple range, then you have to select multiple range in this manner. Column, then data range, then F4 to like this. Your data should be match with your type of chart, then only it will come. Otherwise, sometimes it won't appear. As I have selected this data here, and I am going to display this data on column, but it is coming like this. See, so whenever you have multiple ranges, you can display that multiple ranges in this manner. So I hope you understood the concept well, how to insert this line chart, line and column using sparklines. So by default it is used for displaying the multiple charts on your column, and if you want to indicate some cell value is positive, negative or zero, you can use win loss. So let me prepare that kind of data now. Suppose here I am preparing India 100. Suppose you want to see the variation 200 and 300. So I have inserted only one row. Now in this row I want to insert win loss. So how I will insert win loss? Similar way, select the data, whatever you want to display, select location range and click on OK. So it will come like this. See, here it is coming in the same manner. Now let me change some values. See, that it disappear because it is 0. Now 10. So it is coming. Now 15. So it is coming like this. So it will display in this manner. So I hope you understand this concept. So whenever you want to use this type of lines, you can use column chart. It is better rather than showing win loss. See, column chart, it is showing proper columns and proper bars in terms of the values. See, here all columns are not similar, means it is coming 15 only line is displayed, 10 only line is displayed. Now let me change this to 150. So your bar will be little bit bigger than older one. So I hope you understood this concept now. So like this video, hit the like button, share with your friends and comment your doubts if you have any. And if till you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe this channel. I will post videos related to MS Excel on this channel. So thank you very much for watching this video. Keep watching, keep learning.